Hi friends, welcome to Thinkers IAS. It is an important announcement to all our subscribers. Lots of subscribers requested us for PPT slides of ancient history video series. Now we are sharing part 1 of PPT slides in PDF format. It will be of great help for all the aspirants. It contains PPT slides of 43 videos. This is part 1. This PDF study material is crisp, easy to understand, subject specific and highly exam oriented. To download, please click on the link in the description box below or visit www.thinkersis.com/ancientpdf. PDF study material contains these topics: Ancient History of India, Relevance for UPSC IAS preparation, Stone Age period, Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic period, Indus Valley Civilization, different phases and important sites. Harappan civilization, town planning structures and pottery, trade, polity and religion. Post-urban phase and reason for decline of Indus Valley civilization. Rigvedic period and advent of Aryans. Features of Aryan society. Tribe, society and family during early Vedic period. 4 Veda, ruling tribes of the period, social changes. Later Vedic period, politics, family, religion, philosophy. And the next one is Jaina sect, Shvetambara, Digambara, councils, spread and contributions. Jainism, Lord Mahavira Tirthankara, Jain doctrine. Buddhism, 4 noble truths, 8-fold path. Buddhist literature, Nirvana and Buddhist councils. Features of Buddhism, causes for the decline of Buddhism. Mahajanapadas, rise of Magadha Empire. Shishunagas, Nandas, causes for the rise of Magadha Empire. Iranian invasion and invasion of Alexander. Mauryan Empire, Chandragupta Maurya. Chanakya, Arthashastra. Bindusara, Takshila, Ajvika sect. Ashoka, Kalinga war and spread of Buddhism during Ashoka period. Edicts of Ashoka. Dhamma, decline of Mauryan Empire. Political and social life during Mauryan Empire. And the next one is Central Asian contacts, Indo-Greek Sakas, Golden Ages of Kushans, impact of Central Asian contacts on trade and technologies, art, literature, religion and science. Shatavahanas, spread, rulers, material culture, rural economy, social organization, family structure and architecture. Megalithic background in South India, Chola, Chera and Pandyas. Tamil language and Sangam literature, foreign trade for Mauryans, interaction among South Indian kingdom. As already mentioned, to download, please click on the link in the description box or visit www.thinkersias.com/ancientpdf. We will complete the remaining part of the video tutorials in a short period of time. Stay tuned. Thank you.